This little female is known to researchers as Gyra. She's tiny, weighing not much more than a kilo, 200 times lighter than a lion. She'd be almost impossible to find, but she's being tracked with a radio collar. And using surveillance cameras that rival a cat's night vision, she can walk 20 miles a night in search of food, the furthest recorded for any small cat. Anything that moves is a potential meal. Or if that doesn't work, birds. With a wiggle to tuck her legs in, she gets as low to the ground as possible. Primed like a spring, she can deliver maximum power to jump. She hits her target 60% of the time. It's what makes black-footed cats the most lethal hunters in the entire cat family.